Cash for Crimes Criminal Scheme. Part 13. Cover-up of criminal scheme by Chief Judge Diane S. Sykes of the U.S. 7th Circuit Court of Appeals. Chief Judge Diane Sykes of the 7th Circuit Appeals Court in Chicago covered up the serious criminal misconduct of federal Judge Lindsay Jenkins, including her role in the Cash for Crimes criminal scheme, by dismissing the judicial misconduct complaint against Judge Jenkins I filed, and she knowingly obstructed the investigation of the serious crimes including bribery and millions of dollars. Due to the fraudulent actions of Judge Jenkins in my lawsuit, by dismissing the complaint on March 13, the very next day after I filed the case on March 12, and by having the complaint document tampered with by the court clerk's staff to destroy the evidence and to obstruct me from serving the summons, and by trying to dismiss the case by entering another fraudulent order on March 24 to obstruct the lawsuit fraudulently, I filed a judicial misconduct complaint against Judge Jenkins. On April 29, Chief Judge Sykes dismissed the complaint by blatantly lying that there was no evidence for misconduct by Judge Jenkins. On June 6, I filed an appeal against the dismissal by filing a petition for review of the dismissal order with the Judicial Council. There has been no action on it so far. The copying of the 2022 fraudulent script from Judge Guzman by Judge Jenkins to dismiss the complaint in the current case once again highlighted how fraudulent the order entered by Judge Guzman in 2022 was. Hence, I filed a misconduct complaint against Judge Guzman too on June 6. Chief Judge Sykes dismissed my misconduct complaint against Judge Guzman too by concealing the facts about the series of lies by Judge Guzman in the evidence, and by blatantly lying that there was no evidence for misconduct of Judge Guzman. The Chief Judge also claimed that I filed 2 complaints within 3 months, by concealing the fact that the complaints I filed were against 2 different judges, due to their similar serious criminal misconduct. As the Chief Judge knew that there were more federal judges involved in this criminal scheme, in order to intimidate me and to threaten me against reporting the serious crimes and bribery, the Chief Judge warned me that if I file any further complaint, she would impose a restriction on me to pay a bond of $1,000. Meanwhile, my review petition with the Judicial Council is still pending since June 6.